Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you the daily cipher word, which is farm. Okay, and as always we line up the letters F, A, R, then M. Okay, you excuse my handwriting. Then we find the corresponding Morse codes. So for F, we look for F, which is tap tap, long press tap. F is tap tap, long press tap. Then we look for A. A is tap, long press. So tap, long press. Then we look for R. R is where? Here. It's tap, long press, tap. Tap, long press, tap. Then we look for M, which is dash dash. You should get used to that. M is dash dash. So we shall long press, long press. So let us get the phone and resolve this Morse code. As always, since they changed the user interface, okay, so we have a new user interface. You just click here once where you're seeing Daily Cipher in the middle. Click there once and our button will turn red. So let us enter in the corresponding Morse codes. We start with F, which is tap tap, long press tap, and that will be F. Then A, tap, long press. Then R, tap, long press tap. Then M, long press, long press, and the word is farm. As simple as that. Peace. I'll see you in the next video.